Hi everyone, welcome to Twinr tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to enable page loader. Page loader is like a tiny little geometry animation you see while the page content is loading. Twinr automation engine will detect your website speed and enable the page loader for you automatically. We recommend you use this feature because it's a very important user experience and it keeps your user engaged while they are waiting for the page to load. Well, the Twinr's performance is really competitive, but the page speed also depends on your website's performance. Now let's see how to integrate loader in the app. Go to Add-ons, Extension and Page Loader. Toggle the button to enable and disable from here. Let's check how it looks with loader. Refresh. Now let's disable and see. Refresh the preview. You see it looks little empty without a loader. Another thing, you can also customize the loader size and loader style. These customization options are only available in premium plan, but you can test everything in your 14-day free trial. Let's change the loader size and choose a fancy loader. Save it and preview it. Download the preview app from PlayStore and preview on your Android phone. Refresh the preview and you see the loader looks super fancy now. Great! Remember that this feature is over-the-air feature. That means if your app version 1.0 is live on the stores, you can update the page loader and click on Publish to Production. And then all the users who has 1.0 version downloaded on their phone will have the latest changes automatically over the air. So no need to publish new version and get it approved on the stores. So please make use of over-the-air feature and avoid the approval hassles. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us on live chat or email at hello@twinr.dev. Please also refer to our help documentation for detailed information. That's it for this video and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe for more updates from Twinr. Thanks for watching.